name is Curline Bell, and I just want to start this testimony by saying what Philippians 4 verse 13 says, I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. That renovates to a lot of parts of my life. I'm originally from Jamaica, live now in Connecticut, just relocating to Virginia, basically. I found out about M.E.E.T ministry because I have watched Elder Jackson in many different places where he speaks, camp meetings, and I also watch him online. So I knew that there was M.E.E.T ministry. How I ended up here though is I have suffered with diabetes for over 10 years, and I don't like to take prescription medication, so I was struggling on and off not taking my medication as I should. And then since this year, my doctor told me that my blood sugar was spiking and he wanted to add an additional prescription. Actually, added an additional prescription. The first one was Ozempic, and I started taking it, and it was just messing up my stomach. I couldn't take it anymore. I went back to him, and he changed it to another one, a pill. I am still not comfortable taking all of these pills, so I decided that I was going to look for a place that I could get natural remedies to help me manage my diabetes better. I had options of Pine. Why would I even went to the process of calling them? But I discussed it with my son, and we prayed about it, and he told me, or the Lord told me through him, that I should choose M.E.E.T ministry because they followed a more fundamental program based on the message that we have received. I attended the 18 days program, so like today is going to be my second to last day. I leave tomorrow, and this is how it has benefited me. Like I said before, I came here taking 3 prescriptions. I came here the Sunday afternoon. I took my regular Sunday afternoon prescription. I took the one Monday morning. Since then, I have not taken another prescription pill. And my blood sugar, honestly, has been in pre-diabetic stage. So I would encourage anybody to really try the natural way, and M.E.E.T ministry has done so much, not only for my diabetes, but I am blessed to have the best caregivers. They're very understanding, loving, kind, patient. I mean, they're in the field where you can see that they're not just doing it as a job, they're doing it from their heart. They're really, truly nice people, really God-fearing people. We've had devotions, we shared. I've grown spiritually too, and that was really one of what I had prayed about too, somewhere where I can just not only become better with my health, but become better with spiritual upliftment. And that I have really achieved here too, where the sessions during devotion, our discussions, bringing out things, helping me to renovate more with those things with my life, has brought me closer to Christ. Having a discussion with Elder Jackson one-on-one, that was something that really, really helped me. So as I started with Philippians 4 verse 13, which say, I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. I am not a public speaker. It's the hardest thing for me to do. Sister Claudia practically begged me to do this, and I was encouraged through her, but like I said, I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me is what pushes me over the limit to do these things. And that is why I am even able to sit here, because thinking about myself, I could never do it because I'm very shy.